This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need power and proximity. Charge the Apple Watch above 50% and keep your iPhone unlocked with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Open the Watch app and select Setup for Myself or Family, because that determines Apple ID and permissions. Hold the watch near the phone until you see the pairing animation, then tap Start Pairing. This begins camera alignment and initial authentication, so follow on-screen prompts and allow location and cellular setup if prompted, making sure your Apple ID is ready to sign in. Once paired, decide whether to restore from a backup or set up as new. Restore saves watch faces, apps, and settings, while new gives a clean start. Make sure you sign in with your Apple ID so health and messages sync. Enable passcode and wrist detection to secure Apple Pay and activity tracking. Choose which apps to install now versus later, and allow time for health, activity, and music to sync over Wi-Fi. As things finish, adjust notification and dock preferences to match your daily use. Finish by verifying Watch OS is current, and if you have cellular, confirm the plan is active in the Watch app. Customize watch faces and complications so the most important data is one swipe away, and tweak notification settings to reduce interruptions. If something goes wrong, try the common fixes. Restart both devices first, then reset network settings on the iPhone. Lastly, unpair the watch in the app and pair again. These steps clear temporary issues while preserving backups, so you can retry cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.